Yo, what it do? It's your boy New back with another video. Today I'm interacting to Sick Kick, another Life music video. He dropped this on April 14th. Today is the 21st. One of his more recent songs. If you guys haven't checked my reaction to his week 1 quarantine, go show some love, bro. I have probably like 30-40 videos of Sick Kick on this channel. Go down my list, bro. Go down my videos, watch them, show love, share with your friends. Let's grow this channel to 5K subscribers, bro. If y'all want to see anything else, let me know down below. And like I said in the quarantine video, when you guys are watching this, it'll be the last Sick Kick that I have to do, basically, you know what I'm saying? So everything you guys been suggesting, it's on the channel. Go look for it and show some love. But yeah, if y'all want to see more Sick Kick, I got a couple rules for y'all, man. Suggest it, right? But make sure it's not on the channel, obviously. What I like to do with my reactions is keeping it genuine and real, you know what I'm saying? First time watch and then going at it, you feel me? Another thing, make sure it's a music video. I'd rather listen to a music video, have visuals and talk about the visuals, you know what I'm saying? And also the song. It's like a 2-for-1, you know what I'm saying? Rather than doing just the audio, I got a video and the song. So make sure it's a music video. And that's pretty much it, you feel me? So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see down below. Help your boy get 5K subscribers by the end of 2020. We stuck at home. And what else is there to do but just to bang out these videos, man? Because of this COVID-19, bro. Prayers up to everybody affected by this, man. It's crazy, bro. It's just crazy. But we ain't here to talk about that shit, bro. We're here for Sick Kick, another life. Let's get it. Another life. Quarantine project. Wait a minute. Quarantine project. Is this part of that quarantine thing? It probably is.
Inside my heart is breaking. I'm drowning in the rain. This is goodbye to freedom. I've been losing for some time, and I don't see the light. I can only be so strong, and I can't win the fight. Will you be the one I call before I end it all tonight? Say you'll save me, or I'll see you with.
Bro, the way he's like rapping, singing, whatever the case, bro, it sounds so familiar.
Will you be the one I call before I end it all tonight? Say you'll save me, or I'll see you in another life. In another life. Lately I've been feeling low. No one has my back, I've been on my own. Wait up the world.
Bro, his videographer is fire, bro. Ryan Rain, bro. Shout out to him, deadass.
Emotional,
Look at that.
he's on my tombstone. Yeah, these losing season, no. Don't wanna leave, I got reasons, though. Feels like me uneasy, yo. They don't pick me up and I feel low. Thinking I don't wanna die, but be better off alone. Oh, I don't wanna die, please don't miss me when I'm gone. I've been losing for some time, and I don't see the light. I can only be so strong, and I can't win the fight. Will you be the one I call before I end it all tonight?
Bro, I swear this sounds so familiar. Not what he's saying, but how he's like approaching it. You know what I'm saying? How he's coming out and saying what he's saying, bro. It sounds so familiar. Damn, I wish I knew what it was, bro, so I can tell you guys like exactly what I'm talking about, bro.
You'll save me, or I'll see you in another life.
Wake up, nigga.
I thought you were leaving. What are you waiting for? I've got my reasons. This life is difficult. Why are you holding I'll be better off alone. Oh, I don't wanna die, won't they miss me when I'm gone?
No lie, I was expecting him to just go crazy when he placed the hand, you feel me? I thought he was just gonna poof, you know what I'm saying?
When I'm gone.
That would've been dope. Hey, bro, where's the mask lift, bro, that you usually do? He be like, he starts rapping, doing his thing, you feel me? Then he puts it down, goes crazy on the beat. Yo, this shit is fire, but dude, I wish I knew the song I was talking about, bro, so I could tell you guys exactly what I'm saying. It's an older song back in the day, bro, probably like early mid 2000s. There was an artist who dropped a song, and just the way he's coming out and doing this, it sounded so familiar, bro. But Sick Kick, not bad, bro. Another life. Hey, man, you live in another life. Fuck is you saying? You ain't human, bro. Fuck is you saying? But yeah, man, Sick Kick, Another Life. Y'all want to see anything else, let me know down below. Make sure it's a music video. Make sure I didn't do it. And yeah, that's my reaction to Sick Kick, Another Life. If you enjoyed, give this video a like. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'm out.